Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I made this stew chicken, and also I'm gonna show you how I made the spinach and the carrot rice, so stick around. I have 5 cleaned leg and thigh. I'm gonna start off by seasoning it with 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and then I'm going to put half teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to add some chicken marinate season that I made, and also you can add some black pepper. I didn't remember to put that in the video, but yes, you're gonna ensure you season all of the chicken well, ensure it's evenly mixed out. After that, you're gonna heat your pot. I did use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I think that olive oil, extra virgin olive oil by the way, is the better option for me. I'm then going to sear the chicken on each side. And by the way, before I season the chicken, I did remove the skin. I don't like the skin of the chicken, so that is removed. So I'm gonna sear the chicken thigh and legs on each side for about 5 minutes until they're brown like this, and then you can turn them over and for another 5 minutes. So you don't have to let the chicken cook all the way because you're gonna stew it down with some vegetables. So I'm gonna remove that out of the pot and add them in a separate container. So after, I'm not gonna wash out the pot. I'm gonna use the same pot. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I use this in substitute of using ketchup because sometimes the ketchup have too much sugar and all of that. So once I let that fry for about 5 minutes, I then add the chicken back in the pot. I then added onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and I used sweet potato instead of potato because I think that is a healthy version. If not, then let me know. Anyways, I also added some carrots, and I added about 2 or 3 pimento seeds. I added some thyme leaves and 1 scotch bonnet pepper, as I said. I added 2 cups of water. Then I went ahead and added about 1 or 2 tablespoons of the marinade seasoning that I had in the previous clip. But this is totally optional. If you don't have the marinade season, it would still taste good. I went ahead and added about 1 teaspoon of white granulated sugar because just to balance out the taste, because I did not add ketchup. I then added some all-purpose seasoning as well, and just season to your taste, and I let it cook down for about 15 minutes. For the rice, I'm gonna do this in my rice cooker, but I'm gonna give you the instruction on how to cook it on the stove. So I added about 2 cups of brown rice or parboil rice. I then added 1 bundle of spinach cut up finely and 1 shredded carrot. Added 1 tablespoon of margarine butter, and this is for preference. You don't have to add this, but it's a cock noodle. And then I went ahead and added 1 teaspoon of salt. When you're cooking rice, if you're adding 2 cups of rice, you want to add 4 cups of water. If you have 1 cup of rice, you want to add 2 cups of water. So you always want to double the amount of water you use with the rice. When you're also cooking rice, you want to cook it on medium heat, and once the water is dried out, you then turn the heat on low and let the rice steam. You can add foil paper over the rice just for it to steam faster, but yeah, when you're doing it on the stove, always cook your rice on low heat. For the rice cooker, I did cook my rice in my rice cooker for about 18 minutes, and that would give me the perfect Shelly rice. And this is the finished meal. The meal was so tasty. I really need you guys to try, and the rice is a great way to implement your vegetables, and I did have it with a side of cucumber. And let me know if you try this recipe. See you next time. Bye.